Okay, so now we're going to stitch our zipper pocket window. Just get these threads so they don't get eaten into my machine. Just readjust if necessary. I'm just going to start back here a little bit from the end. Now I'm going to adjust my stitch length to 3.1. That's what I use for top stitching. And I'm going to stitch approximately 3 millimeters, 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the window. And there we have our completed zipper pocket window. Okay, so now that we have stitched around our pocket window, we need to go ahead and finish the rest of our pocket. So flip it over and we're just going to smooth that down like so, and grab our scissors, which I've got buried under my rubble here, and trim off the excess fabric down the bottom. And the same on the top. Like that. Now we're going to press the seam allowance under on the bottom edges. So I'm just eyeballing my 1 centimeter seam allowance. Folding the other side under to match. It's easier if I didn't have to worry about my head poking into the video all the time. I'm just going to glue those edges down with my glue. that. Now we need to grab some pins. We're just going to stick a few pins in each side to hold, and that's the pocket only. Do not pin to the panel underneath, like that. Now we're going to go over to the sewing machine and we're going to stitch down each side like that. We're not going to stitch the bottom close because that's where we're going to turn our bag through. Okay, so I'm just going to put my regular foot back on, moving my needle back over to the center and putting my stitch length back down to 2.4. Now I'm stitching with a 1 centimeter 3/8 of an inch seam allowance, making sure you don't stitch into your panel fabric. Turn it around, stitch the other side. Again, 1 centimeter 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. And there we have the sides of our pocket, and we are leaving this bottom open so we can turn our bag through it. A nicely finished pocket.